एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ. What if I tell you your biggest competition is not your classmate, it's your own excuses. अगर आज तुम सिर्फ मार्क्स के पीछे भाग रहे हो और अगर तुम सोच रहे हो कि डिग्री मिलते ही लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी, आई एम सॉरी बट दैट्स नॉट हाउ द रियल लाइफ वर्क्स. आज की ये वीडियो शायद कड़वी लगे बट समटाइम्स द ट्रूथ हर्ट्स बिफोर इट चेंजेस योर लाइफ. स्कूल टीचेस यू मैथ साइंस हिस्ट्री बट स्कूल डजंट टीच यू how to earn money, how to build confidence, how to communicate, how to sell your skills, how to solve real life problems. और जब कॉलेज ख़त्म होता है रियलिटी स्टार्ट्स. डिग्री हाथ में होती है लेकिन डायरेक्शन नहीं होती. हियर इज़ द हार्ड ट्रूथ. नोबडी इज़ कमिंग टू सेव यू, नॉट योर कॉलेज, नॉट रिलेटिव्स, नॉट योर फ्रेंड्स. अगर तुम अपनी लाइफ चेंज करना चाहते हो यू हैव टू बिकम रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इट. लाइफ किसी को सक्सेस गिफ्ट नहीं करती, सक्सेस उनको मिलती है जो डेली इम्प्रूव करते हैं. Let me tell you about Ritesh Agarwal, the founder of OYO. He didn't come from a billionaire family. As a teenager, he was deeply interested in entrepreneurship. Instead of following a conventional path, he focused on learning, experimenting, and solving real problems. Over time, he built OYO into one of the world's largest hotel chains. Success was not instant. It came after learning, taking risks, and staying consistent. Imagine two students. Student A scored 95%, gets a degree, but never learns any practical skills. Student B scores average mark, but spends 1 hour every day learning video editing, digital marketing, AI tools, and communication. After 3 years, who has more opportunities? In many cases, the student with practical in-demand skills may have an advantage, not because marks don't matter, but because employers and clients often value what you can actually do. Today world is changing fast. AI is growing. Technology is changing industries. Companies increasingly look for people who can solve problems, adapt, and keep learning. That's why learning should not stop after exam. Every student should try to build at least one valuable skills alongside their education. Listen carefully. Your parents don't expect perfection. They want to see your effort. One day when your mother says, "ये मेरा बेटा है," या ये मेरी बेटी है, with pride, that feeling is priceless. Not because of money alone, but because your hard work made a difference. So today, stop waiting, stop comparing yourself, stop making excuses. Start learning, start building, start improving, because your future is created by what you do today, not by what you plan to do tomorrow. Remember, the hardest truth is always the most powerful one. No one can build your future for you. Only you can. If this video changed the way you think, hit the like button, share it with a friend who needs to hear this, and subscribe because every week we will talk about career, digital skills, AI, online income, and self-growth. Because your journey to success starts with one decision. अब नहीं तो कब.